Today I'm going to test whether Coca Cola can actually remove stains from toilet bowl. I'm going to truthfully see if that's actually the case. For better results, you can remove the water from the bowl first. The easiest way to use is a wet and dry vacuum, the type designed to safely suck up the liquid. Pouring in about 1.75 litres of Coca Cola. I've seen people use a small can, but I want to give this a proper chance, basically. What's in Coke that makes people think it can clean things? Well, Coca Cola contains phosphoric acid, a mild acid also found in some rust removers, carbonic acid from the carbonation. It contains sugar, lots of it, caramel colouring and flavouring. The important part is the phosphoric acid, but here's the truth, it's very weak in Coke. It can loosen light limescale, but it's nowhere near as strong as proper cleaning products. I've also seen videos where people drop Mentos into the Coke and it explodes with foam, so I'm going to try that here just to see if it does work. So let me just drop one in there and nothing happens. That's because the Mentos reaction only works when the Coke is fizzy and trapped in the bottle. So once it's out in the air, in the toilet bowl, for example, the gas escapes instantly, so there's nothing left to react with. So next I'm adding some bicarbonate of soda. This reacts with the acids in the Coke and creates a bit of fizz, but again, nothing dramatic there either. Just fizzes lightly. Now I'll try the loo brush and give it a bit of a scrub. So I'm just going to flush. So it's a little cleaner, but there are still stains left. So the Coke definitely isn't a winner here. It didn't work any miracles. So we're now going to move on to some of the cleaners. Because I want this video to be truthful and honest, I'm not going to pretend Coke worked. So now I'm moving on to the proper cleaning products. I'm using domestic bleach and some hot water. Not boiling water, just hot enough to help loosen the things a bit. So let's pour that in there. So let me just educate you on the bleach side of things. So bleach contains sodium hypochlorite, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but it's that word there, which is a very strong disinfectant. Even domestic bleach is usually around 5% to 6% sodium hypochlorite. I can't pronounce it, so I'm just going to put it on the screen. And that's already powerful. Some concentrated bleaches go up to around 8%, but for household use, 5% is the strongest you'll typically find. Bleach breaks down organic stains, kills bacteria, removes odours, and reacts quickly with grime. This is why you see an instant difference when scrubbing. And you can see the difference, can't you, straight away? The stains are lifting much more than they did with Coke. So after trying Coke, Mentos, bicarbonate of soda and then bleach, the honest result is here. So Coke is fun experiments, very weak cleaner. Bleach is actually the winner. It actually does work. So in my next video I'm going to show you how to clean a toilet using soda crystals, which are brilliant for breaking down grime and limescale. So if you want to see that, make sure you watch the next one. And don't forget to like this video if you found it useful in any way or shape or form.